guys, Chris here on my Mama's account, on my Mama's new YouTube channel. So yeah, and go check out my channel. It's called Chris Trusty. Go do that. And yeah, today this video is about the birds. Go check out the other video, Birds Part 1. This is Birds Part 2. And if the bird at the end there comes out, I'll show you the eggs. Yeah, because there's a girl. Is it the girl or boy bird in there right now?
Boy.
Because the boy bird is in there guarding it right now, but so we gotta wait. What is the girl's bird name?
Chica.
Chica. Chica. That's like just like off of Five Nights at Freddy's. Tell us your favorite Five Nights at Freddy's character. What's your favorite?
Chica.
My favorite is Springtrap. And here's Pretty Baby. Pretty Baby. Her nickname is Chica. So yeah.
Oh, that's Chica.
I mean not Chica, but Pikachu. Pikachu. Yeah, Pikachu. Yeah. Her name is Pretty Baby. His name is Pretty Baby, but his nickname is Pikachu. So yeah. So we're just gonna be talking a little bit. Which one is your favorite dog out of this dog? That one, and where's Patches? And that, and yeah. Which one?
Patches.
Why?
I've had her the longest.
My favorite dog is Chloe, because it's more like Patches because I used to always play with her. So yeah. Which one is your favorite bird?
All of them.
Have you ever done a Try Not to Laugh challenge?
Nope.
You never done one?
No.
Oh yeah, guys, go check out my video. I done a Try Not to Laugh challenge in it. And somewhere I just need to upload it. So yeah. Back to her. What's your favorite color?
Pink.
Who's your favorite grandson?
Huh?
Who's your favorite grandson?
Christopher.
Yeah! And that's me!
They got it worse than we did.
I've been trying to get hold of my mom all morning, and
Here's your second favorite dog.
and even when I do get through, is it working? I'm worried because I heard on the news
Well,
that
it could.
where my mom and my sister are about an hour away from us, they got hit really hard. St. All sorts are busy now,
You think Pretty Baby's ever gonna have babies?
but I know my mom
Why?
wants me to stay
Well,
focused.
he ain't got a mate.
We've already gotten some messy calls about
His mate died.
call about the mama dog, and
They make the life.
can't be here, so we just gonna go out and try.
How did
I don't know.
how long does it take for the eggs to hatch though?
21 days.
And when did she have the first egg? Yesterday, was it?
Tiny got a call about mother dog and her puppies.
About 18.
The female dog is around here somewhere. It's a couple of
That's
houses,
what
and I think
the
maybe
first
she might
one
have
had.
to live there. Time's at the White House, so I'm just gonna go take care of this.
We have 2 cages to keep them separate. That's where the eggs are in that box. So yeah.
I'm really worried because I haven't sucked a tear in the last couple of
Yes,
days.
tons of Indian stuff you can see. So yeah, that'll be it for today, guys. So